I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. What I'm about to share, it's a nightmare to even for chefs and cooks. Hello everyone, what's up? It's Chathu. Welcome back to the channel. Now this episode is going to be all dedicated to what I consider to be one of the greatest sauce that ever invented, Hollandaise. Not only that, I will also show you guys how to make the perfect humble poached egg and as well as easy tips and tricks along with it. Once you truly and finally understand this fascinating phenomenon secret behind cooking, not only you will be a smarter cook, but you won't be able to mess up in the kitchen ever again. With all those things being said, let's get into it. First of all, you can use melted butter for Hollandaise sauce, but if you want to make traditional sauce, use clarified butter. Also, it will enhance the flavor. Anyway, melt 200 gram butter on slow fire. Separate 3 egg yolks into heat-proof bowl along with 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Water should be slightly smoking while cooking egg yolks. This method of cooking called double boiling in technical culinary. Don't stop whisking till it becomes thick enough to add melted butter. Time to time take egg yolks off the steam to prevent overcooking. Once egg yolk thicken up by slow cooking, slowly add slightly warm melted butter while whisking. Check the thickness of the sauce following the back of the spoon method. If the finger line stays stable, that's the sign of perfect sauce texture. Add lemon juice, salt and pepper up to your liking, and Hollandaise sauce done. Cover it and keep it in a warm place such as next to oven or stove and consume in 2 to 3 hours, but serving immediately would be the best. Now let me explain why did I say this is quite difficult. The reason why I said that, let's say for instance while you whisking the egg yolk, or in other words sabayon in egg yolk, and while you pouring clarified butter or normal butter, if you do not control the time and the temperature of the water, let's say when you do the double boiling, if you don't control the temperature of the water, what will happen? You will eventually end up with cooked egg yolk particles floating in melted butter. So that is very crucial, I think, not only in this recipe. In any recipe, it's crucial to control the time and temperature. Two most important principles in cooking: time and the temperature. Those two very important, regardless whatever you are doing. Alright guys, moving on, let's make poached egg. Boil pot of water along with some vinegar. As soon as water boils, switch off the fire, eggs goes in and cook for 4.5 minutes without fire on. You will have perfect runny poached egg. Come on now, let's keep the traditional poaching method aside. Let's be practical. What if you wanna poach 10 egg at once, 20 egg at once? Yes, simply just grab a plastic foil or cling film. Make sure you get a bigger piece, and then it goes into the smaller bowl. Add some oil or butter and crack egg into it. Tight it up. Goes into the boiling water for 4.5 minutes, as much as egg you like to poach. So you can add 10 egg, 20 egg, you can boil at once into the boiling water 4.5 minutes. You will have perfect poached egg. And also, whenever you make poached egg, try to get the most fresh egg that you can find, because older the egg, the egg white will separate from the egg white balloon. So those egg white will be floating in water. So if you can find the most fresh egg, that will be the suitable idea for poached egg. And also, never add salt into the poaching water. but you can add some vinegar into it. That will help in coagulation process. but not salt at all. That is also very important. What will happen if you add salt into the poaching liquid? As soon as you drop the egg into the water, the egg white will crumble all over the water. Trust me, you can try at home and mark my word, it will happen. So it's important, don't add salt into the poaching liquid, never the salt. Okay, back to it. Toast English muffin with some butter till they become golden brown. Not all English muffin, you can serve any savory bread. Of course not sweet bread. Here we are guys, serve hot poached egg with some Hollandaise sauce on toast along with chopped chives or parsley. You can add some smoked salmon or ham in between egg and toast. That will be the perfect breakfast combo. Now tell me guys, isn't this looking beautiful and delicious? Silky smooth Hollandaise sauce and perfectly cooked poached egg. I mean, come on, what else you want other than this in Sunday morning? Well, that's the conclusion of simple and easy yet super complicated Hollandaise and poached egg. I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I did sharing with you guys. If you like the video, give it a like. Comment your thoughts about the video. Share with your family and friends all over your social media. Let's catch up in the next one. In the meantime, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Peace.